Hi, my name is Charles and this is Baby, and this is my best friend and the most gorgeous dog in the world. Baby has 12,000 followers on Instagram and is a boss with the ladies. Meanwhile, I've got about 48 followers and my finding girl skills is absolutely terrible. I've never beaten Baby in a running race, no matter how hard I try, which is annoying because I have a healthy lifestyle. I work out, I eat well, I even took up yoga. I'm constantly asking myself, what makes Baby so much better than me? Why is Baby just so much better at life? What does Baby have that I'm missing? And then the answer became instantly obvious. Dog food. Baby eats dog food and it's doing him wonders. Hello, my name's Charles and this is Baby, and today we are making a grass-fed dog food burger using the finest ingredients money can buy. First off, we have the patties. If you're gonna have to use a can opener, you know there's quality ingredients inside. Once you've opened your can, slide your meat out into a tower block. Using a sharp knife, cut the patties into your desired size. About 1 to 3 centimeters thick. Smells absolutely delicious. Not yet, Baby. Brewery burgers, 3 minutes on each side, making sure you kill any unwanted bacteria. First of all, turn on your hot plate. Add a touch of extra virgin olive oil to make sure the pan is very hot. I cook mine medium rare, but you can cook yours however you want. That was a very impressive flip. Can't wait to taste this grass-fed dog food burger. First off, we're going to add a layer of the secret sauce on 2 sides of the bun. Sprinkle of onion. No burger is complete without your pickles. Now you got the grass. Now you add your meat. Don't be eating your burger yet. And now your cheese. Then we add the burgers together. We add our lid. And we've made a grass-fed dog food burger. Freshest grass-fed dog food burger this side of the city. No matter what, I'll always have better table manners than Baby. Loving that burger. Fueling your body with the right food is a window to a healthier you. Oh God!